Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Turkey Fryer Basket is probably one of the most important tools for anyone looking to fry a turkey. It's designed to make the process safer and more efficient, ensuring your bird is cooked evenly and to perfection. Whether you're a seasoned fryer or a newbie, the right basket can significantly improve your results, making your Thanksgiving feast or any special occasion a delicious success. Number 5. CreoleFeast TFS 3010 QT Propane Fryer Set. Introducing the CreoleFeast TFS 3010, your all-in-one outdoor cooking solution. This set is designed to handle all your frying and boiling needs, making it perfect for any outdoor gathering. The set includes a 30 QT pot for turkeys and a 10 QT pot for fish and smaller items. It comes with all the accessories you need, from baskets to a thermometer, ensuring you're ready to cook right away. The 30 QT pot is great for frying or steaming large items, while the 10 QT pot is perfect for smaller items. You can boil soups and stews in the larger pot. This design offers versatility for any meal. The high-output burner provides the power you need for perfect results every time. The adjustable air control panel helps you manage the flame for efficient and safe cooking. This set includes a marinade injector, a thermometer, and a lifting hook. These tools make preparing your food easier and help you achieve the best flavor. The square steel stand with 4 triangle legs provides a solid base. This design ensures stability and safety, even when cooking with hot oil. What we like. This fryer set offers a versatile combo design, allowing you to fry turkey, fish, and boil soups. It boasts a high-output 50,000 BTU burner for powerful cooking. If you're looking for an all-in-one outdoor cooking solution with everything you need, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The fryer was straightforward to assemble, thanks to its user-friendly design. The 50,000 BTU cast iron burner provided ample heat, and the adjustable air control panel allowed for precise flame management. The included thermometer was instrumental in monitoring oil temperature, ensuring optimal cooking conditions. The CreoleFeast TFS 3010 Propane 30 QT turkey fryer boasts a generous 30-quart capacity, making it ideal for feeding a crowd. Whether you are hosting a family gathering, a backyard barbecue, or a holiday feast, this turkey fryer can handle the task with ease. One of the standout features of the CreoleFeast TFS 3010 Propane 30 QT turkey fryer is its powerful propane burner. This burner provides a high heat output, allowing for quick and even cooking of the turkey. The adjustable regulator and thermometer ensure precise temperature control, preventing undercooking or overcooking. Number 4. Char-Broil the Big Easy Better Basket. This is an upgrade for the standard basket that comes with the Big Easy oil-less turkey fryer. It enhances the cooking experience, making it even more convenient. The design makes loading and unloading food quick and simple. It's designed for ease of use, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. It collapses to just one tall, allowing for storage in cabinets or drawers. This feature ensures it doesn't take up much space when not in use. This is made with premium 304SS construction that won't rust. This ensures durability and longevity, even with frequent use. It is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. This convenient feature saves you time and effort after every use. What we like. This basket's collapsible design makes loading and unloading food incredibly easy. Constructed from premium 304SS, it won't rust and is dishwasher safe. If you like convenience and easy cleanup, this upgrade for your oil-less fryer is a must-have. What people say. This folds down nice and tight and takes up almost no space at all. Well made and easy to use. Easier to load the turkey into this collapsible basket. The collapsible design not only makes it easier to load the turkey in the basket, it makes cleanup a breeze. Collapse it and put it in the dishwasher. Comes out sparkling clean. Number 3. Bayou Classic 4010 QT Aluminum Fry Pot. Introducing the Bayou Classic 4010 Fry Pot. This pot is perfect for all your frying needs. It's a great addition to any kitchen. The pot features heavy-duty riveted handles. They provide a secure grip, making it easy to handle even when full. It comes with a perforated aluminum basket. This basket is ideal for frying shrimp, chicken, hush puppies, and fries. This fry pot is designed for perfect frying results. It ensures your food is cooked evenly and to a golden crisp. Choose the Bayou Classic for quality and performance. It's a reliable choice for all your frying adventures. What we like. This pot features a perforated basket and heavy-duty riveted handles for secure handling. It's perfect for frying shrimp, chicken, and fries. If you are looking for a simple, reliable pot specifically for frying, this is a great option. What people say. This was the best cooker for frying fish. This does the job with frying fish, hush puppies, and chicken strips. Works perfect. As expected. Number 2. Arc 64-quart stainless steel seafood boil pot. This pot features an upgraded basket with elevated feet, preventing burning and improving heat flow. The clip drain handle allows for hands-free draining and easy pouring. It's perfect for any outdoor gathering. Made from food-grade stainless steel, this pot has no harmful coatings, ensuring safe cooking of any acidic food. It's built to last, providing you with years of reliable use. Available in 3 large sizes, this pot is ideal for outdoor cooking. Remember, it's designed for outdoor stoves only and cannot be used on indoor stovetops. From boiling seafood to frying turkey or even home brewing, this pot does it all. You can enjoy it all year round for various cooking needs. With its sturdy construction, this pot won't deform easily during use, ensuring durability and safety. It's a reliable choice for all your outdoor cooking adventures. What we like. This stock pot features an upgraded basket with elevated feet and a clip drain handle for easy use. Made from premium stainless steel, it's built to last and perfect for bulk cooking. If you need a large capacity pot for outdoor parties or big family gatherings, consider this one. What people say. Quality materials. Good design on steamer basket and lid. Worked as expected. Easy to clean. Perfect for a medium to large seafood clam boil. Held 10 lobsters without being overcrowded. The handles on both the pot and strainer are perfectly sized for a good grip, which is important because it's obviously going to be extremely heavy. It was much more bigger than expected and it gets the job done, no burning or sticking of food to the bottom, so you know it's very easy to clean. Number 1. CreoleFeast TFK TG 3001 Turkey Fryer Kit. This kit comes with high heat-resistant gloves. They provide maximum protection for your hands. You can safely handle the cooking process. The 50,000 BTU burner is very reliable for outdoor cooking. It also has an adjustable air control panel. This allows you to easily control the heat. The 30QT pot has a scale line for accurate oil or water levels. The 2-level adjustable basket is perfect for frying turkey or steaming seafood. It's designed for your convenience. The seasoning injector helps enhance the flavor. The 12-inch thermometer monitors the oil temperature. A lifting hook makes it safe to remove the turkey. The fully welded frame construction provides extra strength. It's built for high heat cooking and long-lasting use. This ensures durability and stability. What we like. This turkey fryer includes high heat-resistant barbecue gloves for maximum hand protection. It features a powerful 50,000 BTU burner and a user-friendly design with a scale line and adjustable basket. If you value safety and ease of use, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The burner heats up the oil a lot faster than my old one. And the burner base is built a lot better. I also like the pot, it is bigger than my old one. Directions were easy to understand. Assembly was simple enough. Easy to assemble, very sturdy and came with all the accessories you will need. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.